Hey guys, it's Tom here from HID Projectors. Got the V70R in the shop, but not for headlights today because we're going to be working on this set. Customer just sent these in and, well, as you can see, we have some kind of breach here and it has resulted in either clay or mud or rust or maybe all of the things. It's all inside the lens, but we can work with this. So everything else seems to be intact. It's very clean on the outside. Customer did a really nice job of packing them up. So what we're going to do now is take off the lens. We'll clean everything up. We're going to get a whole new set of bezels for this. We're going to retrofit it with LED pods and the DRLs. We're going to do our SR6 projectors here, and it's going to convert this from, well, has a lot of potential to something that is really awesome for 2026. This has some sealant issues, obviously, so we'll address those as well. So stay tuned and we'll walk you guys through how we build this headlight and turn it from someone's trash into someone's treasure. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, we're back here with this Volvo, and I had to stop to take a quick video because this is the one, if you've been watching, that had all that dirt and looked like rust inside. Well, we took the lens off and we took the bezel off, and it looks like everything is dirt related and it's all on the lens, so we'll be able to clean this up. But I want to show you guys this sealant. This is not typical Volvo sealant, and if you look at it, or Volvo sealant, if you look at it, it looks like it is, but when you touch it, it's just this stringy goo. It's not something that hardens when it gets cool. Like this is not a warm light. This is cooled down significantly, and it is like putty maybe, and no wonder why it had leaks. This is nasty stuff. So I'm gonna take a few minutes and clean all of this out of the channel so we can put some fresh proper sealant in here and get this whole thing cleaned out, and then we won't have any more leaks. So replacing your sealant with the proper sealant if you go and service your headlights is really important. So take heed. Thanks for watching. Everybody, it's Tom from HID Projectors, and here are the results of that really terrible looking headlight that came in. If you recall, we had a headlight sent in that was full of water, and rust had formed at the bottom of the headlight, filled the entire headlight with brown, rusty water, ruined the ballast, and it looked like it had been something coming off the Titanic. So customer sent it in, we took it all apart, replaced the ballast with the one we had here, cleaned everything up. We're able to salvage the lens, even though maybe the bottom third of the lens was all brown and rusty and orange. Clean that up, and it looks pretty good for a 20-year-old lens. It still has a little bit of pitting here and there, but really not bad. I'd say better than average. We then took the bezels here. We got silver bezels instead of the black ones that it came on, and we removed that orange reflector to give it more of a Euro look. We got the SR6 projector here in the middle. High beam and low beam now capable, and you have the LED DRL pod in there. Now this one's actually going on an XC70, so the customer asked us to wire up the LED DRL separate from the low beam, so he'll be able to turn this on and off with a switch, which is a simple pigtail harness that we're going to give him. And then of course, when the high beam is activated, the high beam on the projector will kick in, and the high beam in the DRL pod will also kick in, giving you extra little boost of high beam action. So if you guys recall, one of the biggest performance issues here with the old school reflector based D2R bulbs in the headlight is that it just is a reflector based and it stinks. The output is less than ideal, and then for the high beam, the actual housing does a little tilt to give you some light output going up, and that's really leaves a lot to be desired. What we have is a fully built bi-xenon projector that's going to give you world-class output, and it's going to rival, will probably be better than just about anything on the road, because these projectors are phenomenal. So brand new bulbs, and this one as well, and of course that the ballast got replaced. So if your S60R, your P2R vehicle, has maybe seen better days and it needs a good refurbishment, let us know. We've got like a boneyard of extra parts too, and this one we had to source a new reflector or replacement reflector here that was in good shape, because the other one was really bad from all the rust inside, and then we had to get a new used ballast as well for the customer. So we've got some stuff here if you need it, and we're happy to work with you on the pricing for that as well to get you a set that really looks great. I mean, outside of the small imperfections on the lens, this housing looks phenomenal. So that sounds like something you want to do to upgrade your Volvo's headlight and have a safer output that not only looks great but performs fantastic. head over to HIDprojectors.com. We offer these in a few different options. We can customize them. We can do different paint colors. We can add angel eyes and halos and other features and functions if you want. Or we keep it real clean and real simple, make it look OEM. Or we can black it all out, make it look mean. So all those options are available to you. And if you don't see something that you want, just give us a call, 716-662-3479. Thank you for watching.